anything more Australian than a good old Aussie muscle ute?
This 1968 XT Falcon certainly packs a punch. Under the bonnet, we've got a 427 dart block Windsor with a scat rotating assembly, a solid roller camshaft and AFR heads.
Sitting on top is a Super Victor manifold with a 950 Holly pumping that fuel in, allowing this thing to breathe this inch and 7/8 tractors into a twin 3-inch exhaust. Behind this 670 horse power plant is a built C10 transmission with a trans brake and a 5000 TCI converter. In the rear is a sheet metal 9-inch diff with a strange aluminium centre, full spool, 31 spline axles and 4/3 gearing that makes the car very snappy.
This car is certainly fast, having run at 10.4 and a quarter mile, but it also holds its own in the car show world, having won many previous awards.
That's right, guys. If you want something fast and of show quality, click that link below. You can have this car for as little as $24.95. Car's not for you, we can give you 70 grand cash as an option too. Click that link below. You know what to do. Good luck.